Vibes on day 107, you guys. I haven't filmed a thing. We drove up here from home, got to the parents' site. They were grilling, so we ate. Had a really nice lunch. Sorry I didn't get any visuals of it. I just was in the zone. But we're about to set up camp soon. Prairie's here. She's crying because Cora and Grandma Coco are in the camper. People driving by on their razors. It's a vibe here, definitely for 4th of July weekend. I miss Aiden, but he's good. He's doing fine. So we're here. We're going to enjoy it. And we'll keep you guys updated. We'll show you the site when we get it all set up. By myself. She just hopped up on her own. I got you, Prair. Home sweet home. You love it, Prair. Coco. Oh, I think they're over there. Let me see. Oh, that's chilly. Feels great. Oh, God, it's so good.
Come on, Noodle, let's go.
Don't bring them all in there.
No. Yeah. Yeah, bring them in. You're not getting in? You can hand them to me when you're done. She's so happy. Look at her go.
Got it?
Yep. You gonna eat some more? Or are you coming in? A frog?
Back right out. You know what I mean?
You're drinking it? Don't drink it.
You hear that frog?
This is my situation. You want that? I was like, oh, are you trying to grab it? Ah, I'm floating away. You're kind of fast. Uh-oh, we crashed. Bumper cars. That'll wear her out. She's pretty quick.
Yeah, girl, get it. Go see mom.
was so tired. I fell asleep before the outro. But hopefully you guys enjoyed day 1 of our camping trip. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, please subscribe if you're new. I'm doing a giveaway, 1,000 subscribers. You won't want to miss it. Unfortunately, there were no fireworks really that we could see anywhere because it was raining like right into firework starting time. But we're here and we're queer. Is that okay to say online? Alright, this is a really weird outro, but I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.